To understand any organisation, you need to know something about its history and the values at its heart. To understand the church, we must begin with God and his original plan for his creation. The Bible presents God as a being who longs for relationship. In fact, many of his characteristics only exist in relationship. One of those characteristics or attributes is love. God is love and desires a loving relationship with his creation. Since unity is an outworking of love, a desire for unity flows from the very heart of God. So the God who is one created a world where all creation worked in perfect harmony. It was a world where unity and love were on display in every relationship. God's desire for oneness was also evident in his creation of just one male and one female whom he created in his image. Together they would form one family to which all humans would belong. But Genesis chapter 3 tells us that Adam and Eve's choice to believe a half-truth from the serpent marred God's ideal world, which had displayed his heart so clearly. The consequences would impact their every relationship. Instead of peace and harmony, envy, jealousy, and discord emerged. The harmonious interdependence between the elements of God's creation was destroyed as relationships were exploited rather than nurtured. Thankfully, God had a plan to restore relationships and once again bring harmony to his creation. He called Abraham and his descendants as a new family to represent him to the world. It was through this family that he would once again reveal his heart. When the time was right, he sent his only son to reconcile the broken relationship between God and his creation. That's the good news. He laid the foundation for harmony to return to the universe. Many people consider the issue of unity to be impossibly difficult, but the fact that unity is at the very heart of God should make us think carefully about this topic. How will you respond to God's revelation of his heart of love?